Okay, so a lot of you have been browsing TikTok most times of your day. You spend your time on TikTok scrolling, and if you're a graphics designer, probably you're new to the game and you're wondering how to design the TikTok logo. Well, it's very simple. Hop right in. Let me show you how it's done. It's nothing difficult, very simple. This is my personal settings for Adobe Illustrator, but you can do this on any drawing software, any digital software for creating vector diagrams, right? It's very simple. So first I'll grab an ellipse. Okay, before I grab an ellipse, let's do it like this. I want you to have this TikTok logo close by so you can always have a reference, especially for the colors. And I'm just going to place one here and another one right here. Yeah, so these are the two TikTok logos. The one that's just the icon and one with the icon and a nice fancy background. Okay, so now we're going to get our Eclipse logo, the Eclipse 2, sorry, it's Eclipse logo. And all you need for this TikTok logo is just a circle and a straight line. And you're done, literally. You need two circles and a straight line. So let's get first circle here. I'm just going to show you instantly how to get it done. First circle here, and I'll get a straight line, and I'll put the straight line at an exact halfway of the circle, right? In case you're wondering how I know the halfway, I use guides. I like to have my guides on, but also you could have your ruler, so you could draw like guidelines if you prefer that method. Now I have this line here and this circle here, and the next thing I will do is I'll take the circle up, two ways up, right, and all the way to this side. And the way it is right now, I literally have the TikTok logo completed, or maybe not completed in your eyes, but let me make you see it clear. I'll select the circle or Eclipse 2 again, and I'll take this small, let me zoom in. I'll take this small cutout and take it halfway like this. Oh, sorry, that was I made a mistake. I'll take it all the way to this point. Yep. So this is cool. And for the other circle, I'll take the Eclipse 2 and I'll take this one all the way to this point. Now, the second one is very, very funny. You just take it all the way to this other point too. And the way it is right now, it doesn't look like TikTok logo, but I bet you this is the TikTok logo completed. I'll use the direct selection tool. I'll click on the specific point of this anchor and I'll just hit the delete button, right? And I'll click on this other anchor, just this anchor, and I'll delete it. Now what you have here is ByteDance TikTok logo. When I expand this, you'd see right on the spot. How do I expand this? These are strokes. So I'll put the fill as blank and the stroke as colored, right? Strokes now have color, right? And I'll then increase the weight till 60. You can see how near miss I am. I'm supposed to actually raise this a little bit. Let's raise it a little bit up and extend the line to a bit upwards. And as you can see, there you have it, TikTok ByteDance logo. Like, it is literally, oh, that was a mistake. It is literally completed, the TikTok ByteDance logo. This is for the black, right? So I could grip this. Now you're wondering, it's not completely the logo. There's this blue, there's this red. How do you get it done? Well, there are multiple ways you can do that using Adobe Illustrator. You could use the repeat tool, you could use whatever, but I don't think you need the repeat tool to just do this. All you need to do is you just simply hold the Alt key, click and drag this a little bit upwards like this. And then we use the eye pencil, collect the color, switch it over. Now you notice it's misbehaving to an extent, it's changing everything, but no qualms. and then I take the same, I click on art again, take it downwards this time, like this, somewhere around there. I'll use the eyedropper tool again, get this second color, switch it around to the strokes, and make this 60. Now you're probably wondering, what kind of mess is this? Well, it's not a mess, it's just I have to bring this forward, and then there's just one mistake left, the fact that the circles specifically have fields in them. So I have to select the circle, remove the fill, I'll select the other circle. Yeah, this one doesn't have a fill. Good. I'll check this last one, doesn't have a fill, just to make sure there are actually more circles here. This has a fill. You can see how easy it is to detect all of this. This doesn't have a fill, and this doesn't have a fill. So what's left here is just fine-tuning. I'll put this at this point. Now, looking at the logo, you need to always watch out for the details. You see how the black and the blue are aligned at the top, how the red is sideways and a little bit down. So those kind of details are what you need to pay attention to. So like we did, the blue and the black are both aligned, and if you notice, notice something here. So you might be wondering how you're going to do that, how you're going to get this line to work in that fashion. Well, it's simple, because that picture is low res, so you think the black and the blue are actually in the same place, but in fact they're actually not in the same place. They are just slightly skewed. And then the red, on the other hand, is also slightly skewed, just a little bit. Mine is way too much. It's way too much that you can even notice it. So it's just like this, something like this. Yeah, like that. It's supposed to be geometric, but I'm not actually teaching the complete geometric setup here right now. But so as you can see, this is the TikTok logo. Let's get the let's group this, have this by the wayside, right? Let's have this by the wayside, and let's get this second one done. Well, to get the second one done, since we've done it before, we just pull this side, and allow me to use the circle this time. I'll put the circle right in the center, expand it up, blow it up so much that it encompasses everything, and I'll just shift it all the way to the back. What's left? Well, it's just to switch the colors, take away the stroke. Now it's looking quite ugly, I bet, but it's not ugly. It's just simply because the center, the one in the center, is actually supposed to be white. So there you have it, the TikTok logo, and very fast, very easy, 2 circles and 1 straight line. I hope you enjoyed watching and learning how to make the TikTok logo. Do subscribe to my channel and like if you like this kind of content. I will be making more of this kind of content on as many logos as I can find. I'll try to decipher and make it look good. Until next time, see ya.